ladies and gentlemen, to the 8th chapter of how to make a game. Last time we ended up being here. We have this nice score thingy going on, and we can attack, and we can do pretty much everything we want to do. And if we have enough points, we can even upgrade something and upgrade other stuff as well, so like this. Yeah, so now what we are missing, since this is still a bit boring because we haven't anything to play against, so what we need is an artificial intelligence, so an AI. First of all, before I start coding, I first usually think about what I am doing to win the game, so that I can turn this into an AI strategy. I don't have any knowledge about AI programming. So if you're a specialist or somebody who just knows how to do this, please tell me how. I'm just yeah, doing what I think is right. So first of all, obviously the enemy should be attacking me, and he should probably only attack if his circles are not almost empty, because if they are then even more empty, it's way easy for me to take them. Also, he should attack these circles or my circles when they have low points, so or a low unit count. Because if they have a low unit count, he has a chance of overtaking them. Okay, so taking them away from me. Okay, so now we thought of that. Brilliant. Obviously, you can write crazy code about this and make him really smart. And I tried it in my real game to actually make him really smart, or at least aggressive, and attack attack really if he can, and then also think about the nearest circle or the distance between circles and stuff. But for this example, it will be enough if we just think about the count of units in there. So we make a new element and we call it AI. Okay, once again I will just put that in real quick. I don't know if it's even necessary, but I just do it anyways. Okay, so first of all, the AI obviously needs to know everything which is going on. So he needs my circles and his circles. So that's what we're doing. We create a constructor public AI which gets a list of circles player 1 and a list of circle player 2. And now we make them one, so public list circle player 1 equal a new list circle, and the same goes for player 2. Okay. No. Yes, okay, and now okay, I'm really horrible at this at the moment. Make it that way. This dot P1 is equal to P1, and this dot P2 is equal to P2. Okay. So now the AI knows everything which is going on if we tell him to, or if we tell him. So what we need is a method that we can call every tick, so the AI can actually do something. And because this is really meta, I will just call that thing think, and I will give him the money he's got, which is basically the P2 bank thing in the game, which is here. Okay, so yeah, the reason I make this an returning an integer is so I guess it's because I can. Let me see what I do with that. Oh yeah, obviously, if I'm using the money, I have to tell the game that I used money, so I have to return the money. So what I will do is I will give him an integer money. I don't know, I don't think these have to be public, I will just let them. So this money, oh, not member-wise clone, but money is equal to money. Okay, so, and at the end I will just return the money. And that way we keep the game updated about that the computer cannot just spend without decreasing his credit account or something like that. Okay, so now what do we have to do? We have to select one circle of our circles and attack another circle. The reason I don't really think that it's necessary to select multiple circles to attack multiple other circles in one in one think call is that the think call will get called every update, so 30 times a second, and so it's basically the same, just running this think function through all the circles, and I don't really need to attack or code stuff to actually make several circles attack at the same time. I can just let them do that everything, and it will work basically the same. Okay, I really don't know how to express myself right now. So first of all, we need to select one circle of our circles, and we will call that circle our circle, and we call the other circle target. Okay, so now we're going for every every circle of ours. So every circle C in P2, which is our stuff. And now for every circle from our circles, we will check if or if how high our unit count is, and if it's above a special or more than a special threshold, then we will set that as a circle to attack. Let me see how I do it in my game. Should be the same. Yes. Okay. So if the unit count of this circle is greater than the capacity times 2/5, or this is really random. You could even make that higher or lower. It doesn't really matter. Okay, if this is true, then we will set our circle to this circle. So this will get overwritten every time a new circle is, or every time this works. So this is true. Our circle will get will be the newest circle. So if we have, for example, our game here, and these are all above 2/5. So first, the first circle in the list will actually send, no, the last circle in the list will actually send his stuff first. That would be, I guess, this one. Send it first, and maybe send it twice, because then he's below 2/5, and then, but then he's below that, so he don't trigger that, and the next one is attacking. So yeah, that's really how it works, and that's the reason I don't really care that the hour circle gets set to the last circle in the list, which fulfills that condition. As I said, it's really a simple AI. It just serves the task of attacking us, and I guess this will work. So we're just on checking each of our circles, so we will just do that again, or no, we just use that to implement the upgrade mechanism just here. So what we are going to do is we will switch the type of C, and then if it's a 0 typed circle, we will just say if our money is greater than 500, we will just upgrade that. So C upgrade. And what we also have to do this time, I don't forget the brackets, nice. What we also have to do is obviously decrease the money, so money minus equal 500. Okay, break, and the same for case 1, but with 1000. Okay, yes, I guess this should work, but with function brackets, because it's a function. Okay, so now we're upgrading. Once again, it's really, we upgrade the first circle every time we have the money to, but since, or this will result in every circle will first all the level 0 circles will get to level 1, and then all the level 1 circles get to level 2. But I can live with that. Okay, so now we need our actually attacking going on, and this time we will just look for the target which we want to attack. So for each circle C in P1, we will do the same. So if well, let me just think about something. Okay. So if we do the same. So if C unit count is smaller or equal than, let me see, that could be even more. So let's make that 3/4, as you would say it. Then we will set target to C. Okay. I guess this should work. Did I forget something? I don't know. No, I guess this is okay. The thing is, if this condition isn't fulfilled, we get obviously an error because target would be null. So in this case, we will just set if P1 dot count, is it, I guess, is greater than 0, then we will only consider doing this, because if we don't, then yeah, this game might crash, and we will just set the target to P1 element at 0. So we will attack the 0 circle, or no, we just set the target to something. Or no, we don't need that actually. No, we don't need that. We make it another way. We will just say if target is not null, we will attack. And just to be safe, we will set if target is not null and our circle is not null as well. Okay, that way we are obviously safe against something, some bugs there or errors there. And then we will just say our circle attack target. Okay. I guess this should work. Okay. Let's see if it works. But first, before we check if it works, we will just actually call the AI and create an AI object. I tend to forget these things, mostly because of recording and talking at the same time. So AI, and we create a new AI, and we call that AI. I am so creative. And so each time we load a level, we will just create a new AI, and we will give them the circle list. So circles player 1 and circles player 2. Okay. And now we will add the update thing. So this is the menu, this is the update of the circles, and after the update of the circles we will just, to be clear, just put that in here. So AI.think.